950 members of the 190th Air Refueling Wing are working together this weekend to test their capability to respond and handle emergency situations.
Weekend's exercise is geared around a scenario where we would be called to use our chemical defense gear.
It's part of a monthly training focused on different topics. Inspector General Major Penny Jamfold helped put together the 3-day drill testing their readiness.
Of it is readiness just because we wear the uniform. Always ready, always there. We have to be ready to deploy. And anytime you deploy, anytime, not just right now with some of the tensions going on in the world, anytime you deploy, you have to be ready to operate in a chemical environment.
Today was focused on preparedness, while Saturday is when the actual exercises take place.
Pre and post attack teams. So they'll do contamination avoidance measures. So they'll cover up assets, whether it's vehicles or facilities, whatever we could do to reduce the contamination. And then after the attack, they will go out and they will do sweeps to check for damage, contamination.
Sunday they will use to make suggestions on what needs to be addressed.
Airmen come in once a month to learn their jobs and train to be ready to deploy. It's only fair that we have mechanisms in place to gauge the training they receive and see how effective it is and ensure that they really are ready to deploy when needed.